My wife and I were discussing my hair starting to thin a little bit one day, so I started to investigate the process of hair restoration. I really didn't know much about it. I looked around and ran into a friend, told me about Williamson Cosmetic Center. So I did my due diligence and had an initial meeting with Dr. John Perenack at the Williamson Cosmetic Center. He told me, here's the deal, Gordy, we're gonna take a strip of hair out of the back of your head, we're gonna pull the hair that's on that strip, plant it in the thinning parts of your head, and in 6 to 9 months, 90% of that hair that's planted basically is going to remain after 9 months.
I've had some patients who have done, over the course of 20 years, maybe 3 graft sessions. And if you look at them and you look carefully, you know what you're looking for, it's all graft up top. And they don't have any native hair left, but to look at them, they have a full head of hair.
The general procedure is the hair is going to stay for about 3 months. It falls out, but they planted the seed, and that hair is going to grow back within 6 to 9 months. I will tell you that 90% of that hair has remained on top of my head.
We can do either a little light sedation while we do the numbing around here, and then once the numbing's done, you're not going to feel anything.
It sounds a lot worse than it really was. They put you under for the procedure. You're usually waking up when they are finished with the strip and just finishing up on planting the hair. Staples are in the back of your head for about a week. They pull it out. There's some maintenance to it, but it doesn't hurt. You can't wash your hair, you can't go swimming for about a week. You just got to make sure you take it easy, but after that, it really is simple. And in 6 to 9 months, the hair comes back. It has been fantastic, and I can't believe how easy and simple the process was.